Hello everyone, welcome to exploredrive. In today's video, I will be previewing the newly launched Maruti Suzuki Swift 2021. On the front profile, there are minute cosmetic changes that has been done. That is the front grille, which is now cross-mesh type with a horizontal chrome bar above where you can see the Suzuki logo. The headlight happens to be the LED projectors, which are highlighted with the DRLs. However, the side indicators happens to be the halogen bulb. Similarly, the rear taillights happens to be the LED. ORVMs are auto-foldable with electrically adjustable technology. Alloy wheels happens to be the same as the previous model of the Swift, which is the precision cut two-tone alloy wheels with a tire size construction of 185, 65, 15 inches. Swift 2021 comes with 9 paint jobs including the dual tone color scheme options. Now quickly get to the interiors and see what changes are done there. Maruti Suzuki says that the cockpit is now driver oriented and the steering wheel is wrapped in leather. In the front compartment, there are tiny changes that has been done from the previous model. Like the instrument cluster happens to be the analog as well as digital. MID speaks information of the vehicle alerts like side door openings, average fuel economy, real-time torque and power. On the steering wheel, you now get the useful feature that is the cruise control, as well as the steering mounted controls from which you can toggle the MID screen. It also gets the engine start-stop button. The infotainment system that Maruti call it as a Smart Play Studio is also there, which is a touchscreen, and also it is similar to Maruti Suzuki Baleno. Also you get the automatic climate control system. Front seats look sporty with a quite attractive upholstery. Rear compartment happens to be the most spacious with a decent amount of legroom as well as headroom. You also get the two headrests for the passengers, which are adjustable. On both driver side as well as the co-driver side, you get the request sensor, which we call it as a smart keyless entry. And also the smart key has two buttons. Number one is the lock and the second one is the unlock. Now, jumping towards the safety features, you get the reverse parking sensors with the rear camera. However, the guidelines are not adapted. In the front compartment, you get dual airbags, one for the driver and other for the co-driver. You also get the ISO child seat restraint system, hill hold assist, ESP technology. The braking systems are with ABS with EBD. The platform on which the Swift is built is solid hardtech. Popping towards the engine, the Swift is now powered with the advanced KCV dual jet dual VVT engine with the ideal start-stop technology, which generates 88.5 horsepower and 130 Nm of torque. In transmission, you get two options. Number one is the 5-speed manual transmission and the other one is the auto gear shift. Maruti Suzuki Swift 2021 is available in 7 variants. Now getting to the mileage of the new Swift. ARI says that the mileage of the petrol manual is 23.20 kmpl, whereas the mileage of the petrol automatic is just half a litre more, that is 23.76 kmpl. So this was all about Maruti Suzuki 2021. So if you really find this review insightful, do like, share, comment, as well as subscribe to the exploredrive channel, and also don't forget to follow us on Instagram so that you stay connected with us. Thank you so much.